enjoy it our last few moments here.
Honey, I'm ready to leave Vegas.
Same. Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making our way from Las Vegas to Lake Tahoe, which is a 7-hour drive. So hopefully today the NSX treats us well. It's been good the last 2 days since we got the new alternator in, but it is a 1991 pile of poop. Yeah, it should be fine. Let's head on out, go cruise the strip one last time in the NSX, and go to Lake Tahoe, and then go home to Spokane, Washington, and get back to work on cars. Did you enjoy Vegas?
I did. I had a lot of fun.
We partied so hard.
First night we went to bed at 6:30 p.m. Second night around 10.
What a beautiful angel of a car. I can't beat it. Cruising down the highway and I had to slam on the brakes and come explore this extravagant area. It looks like this used to be a little town that most likely burned down, but it's super cool. It's a little scary though, but let's go check it out. What's the matter?
I don't appreciate how you love these scary towns.
That was cool. Now there's another spot that also looks pretty sick, Bobby.
I know, Devin.
You know what it is?
Yes, the lake.
That looks like a dried up lake bed.
All the way, oh, can't really see.
So I might try to figure out how to go there. That'd be sick. But I don't know if you guys saw the Burning Man shit where they all got stuck on this dried up lake bed.
Is that what where that's at?
Well, not that one, but a similar one. And it's in Nevada too.
Yeah.
Guess what? I can do burnouts. I saw a road going to the lake that doesn't look very dried up. So we might get stuck. There it is. Should we do her?
No.
What?
That's the stupidest
So
thing I've
once
ever
in a
heard.
lifetime opportunity to go off-roading in the NSX.
Honey, it's wet down there. You're in front wheel drive. Rear. Sorry. No, we're not doing this.
We'll go as far as we can safely. Getting stuck in the middle of the desert sounds pretty lame. Hey, what? There's old abandoned vehicles out here. Maybe there's an R32 GTR. This would probably be completely dried out if it didn't just...
Rain, flood.
You have a flash flood, yeah.
Nice.
Am I sinking yet?
Hold on. Not, it's pretty mushy out here, honey. You're sinking in, yes, now you are. I don't think so. No, I said you're not good. Yes, you did.
I don't really want to get stuck out here, so I'm gonna stay on the road.
I think that's smart.
It'd be sick to get way out there, but if we didn't just have all that flooding and shit, I would go past the little creek. But there's a creek. It appears there's the old truck out here on the lake. We're gonna go investigate. This is what I need my truck for, Haas. Or maybe out back. You can see someone went ripping through here. A little hairy. Yeah, it's definitely wet. That is definitely like an old truck though, isn't it?
We'll have to go find out.
An epic shot of Bobby falling on her ass. Need a hand? You better get a run. Book it. Do not fall. Do not fall. Here, I'll catch you. Good job. That was pretty snazzy of you. Wow. Bless you.
Thank you.
Oops, someone's stealing the car.
What do you mean?
I would have definitely got stuck out here. But this is what I thought was an old truck. It's definitely not an old truck. I don't really know what this is. What the hell is this thing? Is there somebody in there? Doesn't smell like anyone. Bobby, it's like an old house. There's a door on it. Yeah. What the hell is this? I'm so confused. A door. We might have to stay here tonight. You want to stay here tonight? Crazy. Okay. Alrighty guys, it is about 8 hours later and we are actually heading towards Southern California, San Diego to be exact. It appears that there was other plans set out for us. My brother Cameron, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but he has cancer for the 3rd time and they transferred him from Mexico over to San Diego. There's some other stuff going on that he needed to be in the States for, so we turned around right after the lake and we are headed down to San Diego. Very, very unfortunate series of events, but obviously when my family's going through the ringer, I think it's best to be there for them. We're trying to make the most of this trip, even though we're headed to California for not the best thing in the world. We're still trying to make the most of it. Well, I should probably update you guys as to where we are. So we went and saw Ronnie Boy, and what is it, like 2 or 3 days later now?
Yeah.
And we're leaving. We're in Laguna Beach right now. We just stopped at this banger restaurant that was car themed, so we had to go. And we are cruising up the ocean all the way home, at least as far as we can go. Oh, she needs a manual swap. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find a sick location to go in the ocean and go swimming with Bobby. And I don't know how far we're gonna make it tonight, but hopefully out of California, but probably not, huh? We got a ways to go.
Yeah.
We're still south of LA.
We are.
Am I supposed to stop here? I don't think I am.
I think you were. Actually, I don't know.
Cool.
Goodbye.
That's all.